Alrighty guys, Mavericks Adventures here, and today we are at Little PD State Park. This video just has a lot of little stuff I recorded while I was at Little PD State Park for the weekend. Campfires, little stuff like that. I did some other videos at Little PD State Park. If you want to check those out, and I'll see you at the end of this video, because I forgot to record the intro. Alrighty guys, we got the fire going. As you see, it's hot and ready. We got the fire good and going. I'm going to get it, I'll show it to you when it gets good and burning. Alright, here's the fire now. It's changed a little bit since I recorded it last, but it's rolling good now. So hopefully it'll stay like that. Alright, here is the fire about out. We about burnt the pole fire out. We built it up 2 or 3 more times after last time I videotaped it, and about burning out again. I think that's all we're going to do for tonight, and yeah, maybe we might build one tomorrow night. I mean tomorrow morning or tomorrow night, so see you then. Alright guys, here's the harvest moon of 2020. We're going to be actually here at Little PD State Park. See the blue moon too on October the 31st. So stick around for that video. But yeah, pretty moon. Can't get any closer to the water and have it beaming off the water, but looks pretty just like it is. And yeah. Alright guys, we're here at the little soccer field, or the big field over here at Little PD. And Mama's over here eating some dang wild blueberries. Here's a lot of them too. They ain't done yet. Yeah, they ain't completely. Some of them ain't completely ripe, but they are here. Yeah, there you go.
Just wipe off one of them.
Look pretty good. I'm gonna wipe it off and try it myself. Might as well. Ugh. Nah, that ain't good. Yeah. Anyway.
They're not done enough.
Yeah, they ain't. That's the inside. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that again. Let's see if we got any. Let's see.
I want one of these at the house.
If there's anything else. Alrighty guys, we are over here at the new cabin. Well, it's not a new cabin, it's about a year old now. Over here at Little PD State Park, if you do not have a camper or don't want to sleep in a tent, you can come over here and sleep in this nice little cabin. I mean, it's like a 4-person cabin, as of course, as you see by the 4 chairs. You got 3 parking spots, so you can park pretty roughly as many cars you'd like. You know, 4 cars. Still got my firewood, but here you go. You got a fire pit, 4 chairs to lay back in. You got a big picnic table with a handicap accessible as well, which actually is pretty nice of them to do. You got a big old hammock. I don't think that's for 4 people though, but it has a nice little hammock with that little, I forgot what it's called on top. On top you got a hose with water in it. I don't know why you'd really need that, but it's alright. You got a nice grill. The grill up your food. And I think the blinds are closed so you can't see inside.
No, you can
Here's
see right
everything.
there. You can see that one right there.
Here's everything, and there's all what's inside. You got one big bed, and over there's a little bunk bed. This is basically the same cabin that are in the mountains that we go, the place in the mountains we go to.
TV.
Yeah, there's normally never any TV, so you do have to bring a TV or a phone or a tablet and have Netflix downloaded on or something. That's where you get the key, I would imagine, for the cabin. Here is a little reef just for the weekend, because it's around autumn. You got a fire alarm as well. It's pretty nice. You got a little handicap accessible ramp to get into the cabin. The air conditioner, it does have an air conditioner and everything. Cannot see through the back steel. Pretty nice though. Last time we came camping here, somebody had one of this, so it's pretty nice. A nice little thing to come to. I think there's a refrigerator in there and everything. I do not know for sure. They might have it listed on their website, but let's see. You have to see the bunk beds right there, and I don't see anything else. No, that's all of the cabin. Pretty nice though. Very nice to have if you don't have a camper or don't want to sleep in a tent. So pretty nice little thing to get. And as well, you actually get to see the water, so you can walk right down there and fish and everything. You're right here at the cabin. You can come cook up your fish, clean them and all that, and eat them. So yeah, it's pretty nice. You have a nice view and everything in the morning time. A lot of woods around you. There's a big picnic table over there. Like you plan on having a big old event or something, and you just don't have nowhere to stay. It's a nice little thing to stay. Then you rent the picnic shelter and everything as well. But yeah, it's very nice. I would highly get it if I did not have a camper, because I don't think it's too expensive as well. So yeah, it's pretty nice to get actually. But that's about it of the cabin showing off. I wish I could see the inside a little bit better, but I cannot. So yeah, that's probably going to end this video off. So if you guys would like this little cabin look over, give this video a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. and I will see you in the next one. Alright guys, I'm just over here building another fire for tonight, and it's already smoking. So hopefully it don't already light itself up more than what it's already doing, but because I wanted to have it tonight, but do is all I guess. Because hopefully if it lights on fire, I'll show it to you then, but if not, we'll light it up tonight. That's alright guys, back on the light the fire for tonight, and it did not light up earlier, so that's actually pretty good. We're gonna light it up for tonight. I just want to show y'all a little magic trick on how to light a fire. Just watch this. Alright, and here's the fire, all lit up and ready to go. Just did that snap thing, got it all lit up and everything. But yep, there's the fire. And that does it for the video, guys. I hope you guys had liked it. If you did, give me a big old fat thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, all that good stuff. I'm putting out some more little PD videos, and I upload every week, so subscribe, and I'll see you next time.